Well, it's getting chilly here in New Hampshire. It's the middle of November, and it's time for baked apples. So I got some, and I'm going to, this is actually a variation on my baked Max recipe that I have in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. So I got this idea that I was going to make a kind of like an apple crisp topping, but put it in the center of these apples. So what I've done is I've cut the tops off just about an inch down, and then I've scooped it out with a melon baller. This works really good. You could probably use a knife too, but I think this is really good. I'm going to do 4 of these, and then I'll show you how to make the filling. So anyway, here's how I did it. I just took the apple and sliced right about there. Ooh, this is a nice crisp one. And then I took the small part of the melon baller and just slowly scooped out some of the interior. You want to get most of the seeds out. They're kind of on the other side down here. So I think I got all the seeds out. It's not too hard, it takes a little bit of time. And then what I've been doing is taking a small knife and just making a little hole where the stem was. Just to get that sort of hard tissue where the stem is out of the top of the apple. It's like a little hat. All right, the apples are done, so now I've got the filling to do. This is a cup of rolled instant oats, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 of a cup of melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add a pinch or 2 of salt. All right, I'm going to mix this around now. Wow, I want to fill these up as full as I can, because I love this filling. That should do it. Put the top on. Next, while I'm doing this, I have preheated my toaster oven to 400. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I am placing them in the baking pan. Keep your hats on. I'm popping the apples into the toaster oven. And I'm going to set the timer for, let me think, maybe about 30 minutes. And then I'll see how they're doing. Well, that was 35 minutes and they're perfectly done. I have an idea of how this can be a really wonderful magic dessert. Oh boy, and what could be better than this? I was so inspired. I added vanilla ice cream. which is slowly melting, and a nice swirl of caramel sauce. Oh, this is going to be absolutely delicious. I am so inspired. There's a lot of good desserts and yummy stuff in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. Check it out.